What's going on, everybody? We are back and bigger than ever, and today we're carrying refrigerators. We'll be racing while carrying our fridges to 3 different stations. Each station will have a different grocery item with a number underneath. Those numbers correlate to combination locks that are securing each refrigerator door. However, the numbers are not in order. Once they're unlocked, inside the fridges are 2 Twinkies. The first player to finish both Twinkies is the winner. Losers face punishment.
3, 2,
I got all my wisdom teeth taken out, so I feel pretty subpar right now.
1.
We be lifting every day, so it's really gonna be nothing to me. Bro, I'm about to win. Come on now.
I don't think I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
I really just want to win. Show these young boys what I got. Give me that milk, boy. I just let it all out. I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna zoom it.
When I saw him took off, I was like, oh, he got some burst.
How is he moving this fast with his fridge?
We need him on the field. For real though.
That's when I realized I'm out of shape. I don't run.
Yeah, we run every day, you know, but today it was different because, I don't know, we don't be carrying refrigerators around. And stuff like that.
Like once he got a good grip on it, he just shot down our yard.
I zoomed it.
What were you thinking?
Zoomed it.
Literally.
Johnny got his oven! First one to get his oven.
I hate Twinkies. God damn. I ate the first half. I was just like, I can do this.
Johnny, you're doing great.
And then I ate the second half of the first one. I was just like,
I thought the numbers was already in order, so I just kept putting the same combination. Wait, what's the order again? But it wasn't working.
there's only 9.
I feel so bad for you. I hate Twinkies.
I'm in. Let's go.
Bro, what do you mean they're Twinkies? Just eat them. But then it got stuck in my throat.
They are dry.
Oh. Let's see it!
You know, I lost.
This is my 3rd time losing in a row. You didn't have to mention that.
They did okay. It was a little bit embarrassing, honestly, in comparison.
Man, I wanted that Twinkie, man. I wanted that Twinkie, bruh. Take the L's on the chin, man.
Not looking forward to the punishment at all.
I knew I had it in the bag as a tear goes down my face. All right, guys, welcome to the punishment. We're gonna make a couple drinks for the boys. All right, first one, we're gonna start with the not so bad one. 2% milk mixed with white distilled vinegar. Ooh, chunky. This is the bad one. Chili oil, some sriracha, A1 steak sauce, and then some apple cider vinegar. Top it off with some water. All right, boys. Quarterly milk or chili surprise? All right, boys, bottoms up. Oh my God.
Ew.
Oh. No, I can't. You guys can stop.
I didn't even reach my stomach. There's no way. Jordan, you good? You good?
Look how thick it is. What? They say go big or go home. We say Go bigger. Woo!
Finna crack this code, y'all.